Hey guys, Casey here. Okay, we're here at 1721 Commodore. Here's the neighborhood. You have the two-car garage. Looks like the exterior is going to need repainting soon. I'm not sure if that's something. Typically exterior maintenance is covered by a condo association. If there is one on this, I forgot to check, so I'll find out. And maybe that's something that they're planning to do soon if there is an association. So let me hit the lights in here. Okay, so we walk in. Immediately we're in kind of an entryway, although I will say immediately to our right is a half bath. Looks like a newer toilet, but an older vanity. Looks like we're at forced air. And a mirror there. And a small window leading outside. Okay. Straight ahead of us is the kitchen. Off to the right is the living room. There's one other door here I'm curious about. Okay, this is the laundry room and leads out to the garage. So on the right, we have a closet. On the left, we've got the laundry. It looks like they built a couple of shelves up above the laundry. All right, let's take a look at this garage. So it is a two-car garage. They've got a little bit of shelving on the one side. It's not really an oversized two-car though, so it's probably the minimum 480 square feet. There's our furnace, our water heater, and yeah, everything looks pretty normal in here. Heading back in, let's go into the living room next. It's nice, big, and vaulted. Feels big in here. You've got a skylight up there above the stairs. It's not an enormous living room, but it's actually... Look at that fireplace. Can't tell if that's real wood burning. Almost looks like a gas insert. Okay. These are wood windows with vinyl... what do you call it? Cross pattern thingy. They did do some new flooring in here. This looks like a vinyl plank to me. Yeah, I actually really like it. Okay, this is sort of a dining area back here. Lots of light. It's not completely open to the kitchen, but everything's sort of semi-open in this layout. Oh, and on the other side here is how you walk out to the deck. Let's actually get a look at this backyard while we're back here. It's not huge, but probably big enough for like a small dog or something. Okay, going back in. Let's go look at the kitchen. Okay, so this is sort of an additional little nook, I guess, breakfast nook. Got a pantry right here. And this is the kitchen. It's got the sort of recessed, what do you call it? Recessed lighting that was popular in the 90s. The, what do you call those bulbs? I'm spacing it. I'm a space cadet today. Oh, we've got a oven, wall-mounted oven, dishwasher, freestanding microwave, and then our range is over here. So definitely a pretty outdated kitchen overall. Let's head upstairs. Better take my shoes off. This carpet looks newer. Here's a look from halfway up the stairs at the living area. finish going up the stairs. To my right is a bedroom, left a bedroom, other left a bedroom, super left we got a full bath. Once again, this is older stuff, so this tub is not white, it's kind of that yellowy, older yellowy stuff. That vanity is the same kind of cabinetry as the kitchen. Okay, let's go left to bedroom number 1. Oh, this actually isn't as small as I thought. It's probably a 12 by 12 with a decent size. Decent sized closet, lots of windows out into the front yard. Put air quotes around yard. Okay, let's look at the next bedroom. This is really funky. Sort of an L-shaped room. Huh, interesting. Here's the closet here. And then, yeah, down there is kind of for shorter people. The windows here, one that looks out over the front. The other one looks at the neighbors right beside you. Okay, and I'm guessing the last bedroom is the master. So let's go take a look at that. This would be over, yeah, this is a big room. This is probably 15 by 14, something like that. And you have a master bath. Once again, they did not update the flooring or the vanities. Looks like they probably did replace the toilets at some point. Oh, and they replaced this shower surround. Looks like that was probably tiled in the last 5 years. However, they kept the old shower basin, so... Oh, nice, they put a little seat there. Okay, that's kind of nice. And then the master is looking over the side at the neighbors. And that is it. Thanks, guys.